Are your security teams struggling to keep up with the evolving risks, compliance requirements, and complex architectures introduced by containers and hybrid cloud technologies? The Red Hat Hybrid Cloud Console can help by providing prescriptive analytics, recommendations, and applications to manage Red Hat environments through a single lens. To access the console, all you need is a Red Hat account and an active subscription to a supported Red Hat platform. There's no infrastructure that needs to be deployed, just start using it. Improve your overall security posture with quick and easy access to managed services that allow you to discover critical and important CVEs faster, easily build reports on vulnerabilities and customize them to see what's important to you, and review applicable security advisories and affected systems and remediate using provided Ansible playbooks. Take advantage of the malware detection service to scan your systems for the presence of malware utilizing hundreds of active signatures. And simplify regulatory compliance and make it easier to comply with the security controls in PCI, CIS, HIPAA, and more. Ready to get started? Check out the Hybrid Cloud Console at cloud.redhat.com.